Hello, my lovely. Once again, I received a box from Alexandra Renke, and this time, once again, I have no clue what's inside. Only that they announced via email that this box will contain various materials, matching materials, but different ones for each recipient. So anyone watching this, I cannot guarantee that you will have the same content. So the white paper as usual, and I think I will remove the box since everything is wrapped up in this paper. Oh my goodness, this looks very wintry. Right off the bat, there's some really wide washi tape with penguins and a duck, elephant, toucan, whale, and I forget what this one's called. Did I say penguin? It's not a penguin. It's can't remember. And we have some, these are not dies, these are glimmer foil dies. They are dies for, they are cutting dies, but these are not the usual color from Alexandra Renke, because they usually have the dark steel. And this is a coppery color, obviously. Cardstock, felt, fabric, plastic, shrink foil. You can cut with these, as usual. Okay, so this looks like the subject is circus, which I'm not a fan of circus for animal conservation reasons. But I guess one could use the seal anyhow and use these as party whatever. I wouldn't make a circus card. Sorry, Alexandra, but that's not my thing. So we have the stamp for August. Should I zoom you in a little bit? Perhaps I'll show you the dies again up close. Sorry about the glare. Yeah. And well, the monthly stamp obviously for August, which is nice, and it says Alles Gute in German, Erste Klasse, Gute. I'm guessing it's for the start of school, so it says Alles Gute Erste Klasse, so all the best for your first year at school, first form. And here's the washi tape with those penguins. They are penguins on this. And some stickers. This is one sheet with various animals in a watercolor type design. And these are very nice. Well, this is supposed to be a penguin, whereas this bird is the other one that I can't think of. They're not stickers, they're rub-ons, as you can see by the title. And the name is Animal Hullabaloo. And some more stickers. Oh, these are actually stickers, and they are a kind of rough texture, a bit like watercolor paper, and there you can see the texture below, hopefully. And yeah, it's got German umlauts, 2 sizes of letters, and then also some German sentiments, and a heart. Right, so now for the papers. Something's left a mark on here. So here we have the seals swimming around. Perhaps I'll zoom you out a little bit more. As I say, the seals swimming in the water and on land. The paper number is 10, 19, 12. Then we have some more seals. On a kind of a line pattern. And the paper number is 10, 18, 93. Then we have a matching grey cardstock or pattern paper that is always one-sided as usual, from Alexandra Renke, and this matches perfectly with the tones of grey, and it's got a square pattern on it, number being 10, 1702. Then we have these penguins. They're kind of humanized penguins, and I guess you could give them some speech bubbles. And a baby penguin and a grown-up penguin, I guess, where the baby is larger than the grown-up. And I guess it could be a baby penguin. And some, oh, and the paper number here is 10, 1908. Then we have circles. This is rather nice. It's kind of retro, isn't it? And the paper number here is 10, 18, 80. More penguins. and my colleague will have a field day because she loves penguins. As you can see, it's similar to the other paper with the seals, and the paper number here is 10/18/94. And the blue paper to go with the whales, I guess, which is rather nice and smells gorgeous. The paper number here is 10/14/45. And some more seals. This is nice. A seal family. And some line patterns. Paper number is 10/18/87. More seals. Paper being 10/19/06. Then we have a teal background, greenish teal color. Camera is not focusing very well. Paper number is 10/15/28. And what looks like a large family of penguins. Funnily, the young ones are looking after the older ones. I guess it's supposed to be a penguin, that one. So 10/18/88. And beige or ochre colored background. That's the normal Alexandra Renke background design, and that's paper number 10/4/06. So that's an old design. And we have a clock with the different animals. This is rather nice. I would say this is a nice one to have in a child's bedroom. You could leave it as it is, the design. And the paper number here is, oh, let me show you the animals. They are like the rub-ons. And the paper number is 10/19/01. I do like the different animals around, so it's quite varied. And here we have the seals again. So the blue paper actually goes with, well, it sort of goes with the seals, not whales, as I said before. But you could also imagine this paper as a background. That would be nice as well. So, okay, I don't have a school child, and I don't have... Oh, these look like labels, don't they? Yes. You can use them for any children, or I could use them for scrapbooking my son's life, which I still haven't done because I'm always working. And I'm not sure about this die though. I like the rub-ons, they are cute. So we'll see if I can get Alexandra Renke to change them. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you do subscribe if you like my video, and leave a like if you would please. That would help me an awful lot. So thank you so much, and remember, do what you love. Take care. Bye.